What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing another LED light, but this time it's going to be the S4 fog bezels, which I got from iJDMTOY, and I know they're going to look awesome. So I'm going to give you a quick unboxing right now, and we'll get right on to the install. So you get a box inside of a box. So here's the little box here. Hope you guys can see that. Let's get this out of the way. Alright guys, so this is what we got in the box here. Let me just put this on the floor. Got a mess. Alright, so you got this. Thanks for purchase. And here are the fog bezels. Let me just take one out real quick for you guys. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Go. So this is one of them right here. They look awesome. As you can see, the LED goes all the way to the end, like from side to side. So that's one of them, and there's the plug. It should be just plug and play. Let me put this one aside. And here are the harnesses. So this is the adder fuse right here. Let's see what else. Ground right here, and I think that's it. And then the plug that goes straight to the fog bezel. Let's see what else. It's another plug here. This is the module for the fog bezel. There's the plug and play ends there. A couple of T-tabs. And zip ties. And here's the other fog bezel. This is pretty much the same thing. I'm not gonna edit that out of there because it's the same thing as this one. Alright guys, let's get these installed. This is gonna be awesome. I know these are gonna look really nice, and I hope they match up with the color temperature of my LEDs, which they should. They're super white. I think it's like 6,000. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is obviously open your hood. Try to do this one-handed here. Alright, look how dirty it is in there. Anyway, alright guys, so the bolts you're supposed to take out, it's these up here. So there's 6 bolts. I took off one clip already. 6 of these bolts, and the rest of the clips right here. One here, and there, and there. And the bolt at the end. You gotta take those out first, and yeah, let's get to it. I don't want to be careful with these. They break very easily. The clips, they break very easily. Yep. Once you take those out, the next thing you want to do is take out the tab here. Clip. There's a clip here, and right under the bumper, like right here, there's another one, and there's one inside. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Let me see if I can go. It's right there, right inside there. There's another one. So you want to take those out, and obviously the ones all along the bumper, all the way around, there's clips. So you just want to take those out, and once you take those out, guys, all you got to do is pull from here, pull a little bit down on the bumper. Don't use too much force because you don't want to break it, and pull from this side, and it should just come right out. Alright, so I'm gonna do that right now. And and I forgot, for the fog bezels themselves, get these out right here. Just grab them from here and pull out. That's it, and this should pop right out. Alright guys, so let me get this started. Yeah guys, once again, for the 30th time, tools, one of these if you have one. If the stick focus right there, or flathead, whichever works for you, just to get the clips out. So for that bolt right there, guys, it's gonna be 10 millimeters. Sorry about that. Alright guys, once you get all 6 bolts out from there and the clips, you got a couple of clips, I forgot how many it was, I think it was 3. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, the 3 clips out. This piece right here should come right off, just like that, and just put it aside. Alright guys, after all those clips are out and the bolts, like I said before, you wanna take off the clip from here. There's one in there and one right here, and then all around the bumper there's clips. Just take those out. Same thing on this side, there's one there, you can see it right there, and in there's another one. And just take all of those clips out, and then what you want to do is pull the bumper away from the car. They're just clipped on, that's the only thing supporting it. So you just want to pull away from the car and the bumper should come right out. All right, let me do that right now. Once you get the bumper off, it's pretty self-explanatory here to get this together. It's all plug and play. So what I'm gonna do, I'm thinking I'm just gonna route the wire along here and zip tie it with there's holes here, these holes, just zip tie my wires there, and then go up through here through the driver's side where the battery is, and route it here to a fuse box. I'll show you that in a second. I'm gonna install my front lip while I'm at it because it got ripped off. Look at my previous video, you can see it there. A little story. Guys, once you have all that stuff done, all you gotta do is get these out. Just pull them out towards you or use this tool. I'll pull them out. Oh, it came out already from that side? Alright guys, so this is what the final product looks like. Let me see, let me show you here. Yeah, that's what they look like. They turn on with my headlights. That's how I have them. I wired them with my DRLs also, but I think with the headlights is the best way. I don't know any other way to, what fuse to tap into to get it to run with my DRLs. If anybody knows, leave it in the comment section below. But anyway, this is what they look like. Oh, I also put on my front lip. I don't know if you guys noticed, but now it has it because it got ripped off in the last snowstorm. And I have a video on that. You guys could check out that video if you're interested. But anyway, me and Faustino, my boy Faustino, helped me out. He put on the front lip pretty much, made new holes, and yeah, this is the final product. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like at night. I have them connected to my headlights. That's the only way I figured how to get this to work. If anybody knows how to make them work with your sea lights, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, they're really bright. I don't know if you could get a better angle from there. They go well with my sea lights or whatever and my LEDs. But yeah, that's what they look like right there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.